Hello, and welcome to this episode of Command Line Basics for Linux. In this tutorial, we're going to explore the use of the remove command, or RM for short. The remove command is versatile, allowing users to delete single or multiple files and directories in Linux. It supports advanced features such as wildcards, interactive prompts, and recursive deletions. Prior to executing the command, we'd like to review the help documentation. To do so, we type in rm help, and we'll pipe this through more. Here you can see it provides the alias of the command, brief description of the command, and any options that are available to execute with the command. So let's take a look at the contents of the documents directory. Here you see we have 11 items, 10 files in one directory. And we no longer need these items. So we're going to go ahead and remove them. So to begin, we can remove the file by typing in rm, and in this case, let's remove index.html. My apologies, index1.html, and we list the contents of the directory. We no longer have index1.html. So we can add some interactivity to this command by typing in rm-i, and let's move index2.html. And what this does, this asks prior to removing the file if you want to remove the file. Well, we do, so we'll type in yes. And you can see we no longer have index2.html. Now we can remove multiple items at the same time, like index 3 and index 4 at the same time by typing in rm index 3.html and index 4.html, and listing the contents of the directory, we see index HTML 3 and 4 no longer exist. Now we want to move 1 and move 2 text. To do so, we're going to use a wildcard by typing in rm move and the asterisk. And as you can see, it removed both move 1 and 2 text files. So we can also remove by extension type with the same wildcard by typing in rm -i, and let's go -v star dot png. And it's going to ask, do we want to remove regular empty file picture png? Yes. And it removed picture1.png. Picture 2? Yes. And it removed picture 2. Picture 3? Yes. And it removed picture 3. Now the final thing that we have left is the directory. Now this is a non-empty directory, and we can verify that by looking at the tree. So in this case, it has 3 files: delete 1, 2, and 3. So to delete this, you can type in rm-r for recursive, -v for verbose, and the name of the directory. And you can see that it came back, it removed the documents delete 1, 2, and 3, and remove the directory. And we can verify that by typing in the ls-la, and you can see we no longer have the example directories. And that's, my friends, is all there is to the remove command in Linux. Thank you, and see you in the next episode.